Hey guys, just a quick video of our 2020 backyard ice rink. We went a little bit bigger this year and actually went full boards. Don't actually have ice in it yet, but this coming week we should be dropping in a liner and seeing what we can do. Sun was shining, so I thought I'd show you what we got. Rounded corners, 4-foot sides on the back, and then 24-inch sides in the middle to make shoveling the snow a little bit easier. You can see we got treated plywood, treated bottoms, and then everything off the ground is just regular 2x4s. And then for the side anchors, we actually did these like foot looking things and then just drove a 8-inch long bolt in the ground, and it is incredibly rigid. It doesn't even move. So just thought I'd give you a little update and see what it's looking like while the sun's actually shining. Pretty cool, and we're super excited to get on this thing and skate. It is light years ahead of what we had last year. So if you like what you see, click subscribe and we'll talk to you later. Bye.